Hello, today we will guide you through how to add VWAP on Webull app. Before we begin, a quick note on what you're adding. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It's a running average price that gives more weight to periods with higher trading volume. Traders use it to see where the bulk of trading has happened during the session and to gauge whether current price is trading at a premium or a discount to that average. It's especially helpful for intraday decision making and context. Start by opening the desktop version of the Webull app and signing in. From your workspace, open a chart for the stock or ETF you want to analyze. Make sure you're looking at the full chart view so the top toolbar is visible. Maximizing the chart can make everything easier to find. Next, look toward the top of the chart for the indicators control. Depending on your theme and layout, it might appear as the word indicators or as an icon shaped like a beaker or graph. It sits in the upper toolbar above the price candles. If your toolbar is condensed, hover your mouse to reveal more options until you see the Indicators control. Click the Indicators control to open the Indicators panel. This panel shows your currently applied studies and the full catalog of indicators you can add. At the top, you'll find a search field that lets you jump straight to what you need without scrolling through the entire list. In the search field, type VWAP. As you type, the list will filter down. When you see VWAP appear, you're in the right place. Click on VWAP to apply it to your chart. The chart will update immediately, drawing a VWAP line over your price candles. On some layouts, you may also see upper and lower bands associated with VWAP. That's normal and simply provides additional context around the average. To confirm it's active, look for VWAP listed among your applied studies or in the chart legend. If the line doesn't show up right away, switch your chart to an intraday time frame such as 1, 5, or 15 minutes. VWAP is typically calculated for the trading session and may not display on daily or weekly charts depending on your settings. For clearer visibility, choose a contrasting chart theme or color scheme so the VWAP line stands out against your candles. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added VWAP in the Webull desktop app. Remember, VWAP resets each session, and many traders use price relative to VWAP as context, not as a standalone signal. Thanks for watching, and enjoy analyzing your charts with WAP.